What's up, guys? Today we're playing Arsenal. We tried to record this like 3 times already, and it failed 3 times. You already know. I'm actually gonna play this, and then my cousin is gonna play this. So, hope you like it. Hope you like it. I'm very bad at aim. Oof. That's gonna leave a big scar.
Yeah.
Especially that lining. The lining, yeah.
Especially because you have a minigun.
Let's just go try to stab someone with this. Sword, you mean saber? Oh, come on, noob. Come on, noob.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza,
Sir,
pizza.
I'm just gonna eat this cow.
So we ordered a pizza, and I'm like, oh, it's a Warzone.
Oh, he's on my team. I'm so stupid.
And there was a
Woo. Yes, sir. My brother wants to play now, and I'm like, no, fool. No, boy. No.
Wait, can you play on your phone? Can you play Arsenal with us?
Trying to, oh,
Play Roblox on
oh,
his phone so
shoot.
we can,
Dang, he just came
so
and
we can
sniped
play
me.
Roblox together. Are you playing with my phone?
My friend is actually in this game. I think he just left, though. He's actually really good. Got some in my eye. Oh, it's my hair. Huh? Okay, I gotta.
Oh.
So many people.
Get pizza.
Someone order pizza. Huh. Wait, what the heck? I just said this guy plus me killed this guy. So, oh, I get it. I'm stupid. Come on, snipe him. It's a trap. Sorry, we just watched too much TikTok. Oh, y'all probably can't even agree more. What like person that's like 10 and up has not watched a single TikTok video? What's this noob doing? That was easy. Easy dub. Ooh, who's in the back? No one is. Let's kill all these people.
So right now it's showing my face, but I kind of lost it. And we have to put air. So we can put a little, like, we just turn around.
My brother's just like addicted to trying to play these games with me. How about in the comments after I record both of the videos, y'all tell me who's better? Dude, I just got like 3 kills from that, or like actually 1 kill, but I'm just saying 3 kills. Oh shoot! Actually, we might both play in one video. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna do a game, and then he's gonna do a game because this took a long time. Boom. My phone's over there inside that fort. Oh no! Hopefully she doesn't win, and I catch up. Oh, that's like I'm not gonna catch up. Where are you? Oh shoot! I thought that was one of the. Hey, stop shooting me!
Also, go in the comments if you guys can be us following.
Yeah.
Also, like, talk loud, because I'm talking pretty loud.
Yeah, we can talk loud if you want us to.
So, try clicking in the chat. I mean, like, no one's really
Yeah, but I know the people that watch me, you already know who you are. Especially that one guy, I forgot your name, but.
37 subscribers or something?
No. It's 377, I think. Okay, well, right now it's gonna be my cousin's turn to play. Alright, let's get it.
Tell me,
Subscribe if you want us to try to do a thing where I do the shooting and he does the moving. So it'd be like super difficult. How do I get that out? It's annoying. Yeah, there's legit all these ads.
50,000 likes, then they'll do it. No, my brother just had 50,000 likes.
Oh, wait a minute.
Kid, I don't even have 10 subscribers. Oh,
For real.
hey, that's our goal. By the end of the month.
End of the month, boy. You mean end of 2020?
No, end of the decade.
Real.
No. End of the earth.
The Earth. Yeah, bro. My lifespan, bro. The end of my lifespan will probably only have 10,000.
Oh, okay. Hopefully, you know, guys, like and subscribe, which is probably never gonna happen. But we're just trying to have fun here.
Yeah.
We're not trying to be those business guys.
Mhm.
Okay, so we're talking about getting a mic and getting everything. No, we're trying to have fun, make YouTube videos. I'm gonna make way more through this time. We already made like 4 today. We made a ton today, but you already know that means a ton tomorrow.
Right, kid.
Oof.
Hey,
So
hey,
if
hey.
you wanna to play with them sometime soon.
How do I change to my... How do I change to the other gun? Ryman. How do I change to the saber?
Q.
Q?
That's Q.
Okay. I'm gonna get my saber out to just get that kill.
He's like just started playing this Arsenal game. Oh shoot. Yes. Sometimes I just go in a big group of people and I just go whip out the saber.
Ooh, headshot.
Dude, you already see it says Fran Ryland sniped gamer his own 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Ooh, I got turned to ice. Oh.
But I'm like the lesson. I got ice in my veins.
So good, mate. I literally got like 90 health or 80 health off of each of them and didn't even kill them because I had to reload.
This is sick because we have this laptop and we just have to play with the mouse pad. Well, not really a mouse at all. It's just a pad on the laptop. But then our grandparents, which we're visiting them right now, they let us borrow a mouse to play with. So now it's like way easy and it's so much more fun. I can't see. So hopefully I learn actually how to edit stuff. Probably sometime soon. I might go on YouTube and just watch like a lot of videos on how to edit. So hopefully I get to that point where I know how to edit.
I saw it coming down the stairs. That was not fair, man. You really, just stop. With the AK? Gosh, freaking minigun me. I'm literally leaning down because this is so weird.
Legit, my brother is in the game as well, and he's trying to catch up, but he can't because he's on mobile. And then he just left. He just rage left. I can't play. He's like, I can't play.
Hey, but if we did show our face, bro, if we did show our face, we get so many more likes.
I don't know, buddy.
Okay.
And you already know we got Kaju in the server behind us. It's 7 kills. You're on fire, my guy.
I know.
No, like, legit, you're on fire.
Yes.
Like that.
I'm just gonna go savor some people. Oh, I don't like that other gun. I really don't like it. It's kind of far, bro.
It's not that bad.
With the auto, whatever that thing is, auto reload, dude, it's really hard.
No, it's not. It makes it actually easy, man. Yeah, when you stop and you reload, you go after it. Oh, the headshot. Ooh, oh, you were so close.
Help me.
You were so close.
What is this? Minigun? Oh, a flamethrower.
We're so...
Ryan just fell. Hey, he threw it back. He threw it back. What is what?
And guys,
worry about me. It didn't really hurt that much.
Okay, you fell. You for real fell. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now Ryan's gonna pray. But we're we're gonna end the video here because I want to talk to Rylan real quick. I really don't want it to be in the video. It's not bad. I just want to see how we can
make this better.
yeah, make it better because I want to see my face, but you don't have to do it for yours. We do separate videos. But I want it to have like that thing on the edge of the screen.
Okay, well,
See y'all later.
bye. Peace out.